The mystery of a sly fox. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, a sly fox. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in daily conversations. Let's get started. A sly fox is a figurative expression, which means it doesn't describe an actual fox being cunning. Instead, it paints a picture using words to convey a particular idea or feeling. Part 1. The word, sly. Sly is an adjective that describes someone who is clever in a deceitful or tricky way. Imagine someone who is good at sneaking around without being noticed, or who can easily manipulate situations to their advantage. Part 2. The word, fox. While foxes are beautiful creatures found in nature, they are often portrayed in stories and fables as being clever and crafty. Over time, the fox became a symbol for cunning and wit. When someone is referred to as a sly fox, it means they're seen as being very clever, sometimes in a sneaky or deceitful manner. 1. Watch out for him, he's a sly fox. He might try to trick you. 2. She managed to get the last piece of cake without anyone noticing. What a sly fox! It's essential to note that calling someone a sly fox can be both a compliment, admiring their cleverness, or a caution, warning about their deceitful intentions. The phrase, a sly fox, isn't just used in daily conversations. You might find it in literature, movies, and even song lyrics, indicating a character's cunning nature or ability to outsmart others. For example, in children's fables, a fox might trick other animals using its clever tactics, reinforcing the idea of a fox's sly characteristics. And there you have it. The phrase, a sly fox, paints a vivid picture of someone with clever, sometimes sneaky, tendencies. It's a fascinating way the English language uses animals to describe human characteristics. We hope this video sheds light on this intriguing phrase. Until next time, keep expanding your language horizons.